Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to trade with the help of buy pressure and sell pressure, and also what are buy pressures and sell pressure. Now, to begin with, what is a buy pressure? A buy pressure is that pressure when the market opens in the when the market opens, which we call at the meaning that the pre-open session or the pre-open market. In that session, when the buyers push the market in the upward direction in an uptrend, it is usually determined by the day prices, by the same day. Now, by the same day when the buyers push the prices of the stock upward, then that's called buy pressure, and vice versa. Now these are determined by numbers, not by charts, because chart doesn't show you a buy pressure. The numbers will show you a buy pressure or a sell pressure. The charts only, let me show you here. The charts will only show you, like as you can see here, they will only show you candlesticks like this, but they don't show you buy pressure and sell pressure on the only the numbers of that particular day will show you the price of that, the buy pressure and the sell pressure. Now, a buy pressure is that pressure in which, as the market opens and the buyers push the market upward, that is called a buy pressure. And a sell pressure is that one in which the sellers push the market downward, push the prices downward. That's called sell pressure. Now, how to trade with the help of buy pressures and sell pressures? Well, as the market opens, most of the investors, most of the buyers or the sellers place their orders. So when they place their orders, they might be buy orders or they might be sell orders. As the market opens, you will have to recognize, is it in positive or negative, is it green or red. If it is green, then place a buy order in that particular stock and wait for the price to reach its highest of that day. Whether it be, let's say it open at $3 and wait for it to 380, 3.8, 3.9 or 4, something like that, and close your stock at that price, because later on the day most of the sellers would have sold their stocks and bring the prices downward. So, and in case of a sell pressure, you will have to recognize whether the stock is in green or red. You will have to recognize that the stock is going in negative or red. If it's going in red, then you'll have to short your position. As the stock is as more and more selling comes in, more more buyers, more investors are um, pulling down the prices of that stock, then you would have short your position, and you'll also eventually make a profit out of it. Let's say that particular stock opened at, again the same example, $3, and the stock price came to 2.5, 2.4, then 0.6 is your profit. That much profit have you made in the on the same day due to sell pressure or buy pressure. Now, buy pressure, now later on the day the prices may come to their normal, as new and newer jump in later on that same day. As you can see over here, I will just give you an example of that. As the market opened over here at this particular, let's consider this particular candlestick. Now, as I've told you, what was its open? 21.76, and what was its close? 22.70. So 1 rupee of uh, 1 rupee profit. Now let's say the market opened over here, the buyers push the market upward like this, till up till this point over here, but later on that same day the sellers jumped in as the prices went up, so the sellers were selling their stocks more and more, and which pushed the market downward. Now again on the same day, I will show you as a sell pressure due to these high prices. Again on the next day, market opened over here, and the sellers jumped right in, pushing the market downward. And then as the buyers jumped in later on the day, they pushed the market upward up till this point here, but again the sellers were active, so they slide pull down the market a bit. And again the same thing over here, it formed, this was a fight between the buyers and the sellers. Both of them were fighting, both the buyers were fighting to push the prices upwards, and the sellers were pulling the prices downward. So in this case, the buyers were the buyers won, as you can see over here. Now what about this candlestick, the red one? It opened right here, no sorry, over here. The buyers pushed the market upward, as it was a buy pressure. Now this is a buy pressure, as you can see, as in the opening hours, when the buyers or the sellers either push the market upward or downward, push the prices in the upward direction or downward. This is called a buy pressure or sell pressure. So this was a buy pressure over here, but again sellers sellers jumped right in and pushed the market downward. But at this place, the buyers again jumped back in and slightly pushed the market upward, as you can see over here, push the prices upward, as shown over here. So this is called buy pressure and sell pressure. Now you might have understood the difference between a buy pressure and sell pressure. I might be making a video of it in the future videos of mine, showing to you in detail of how they react to it. But for now, just consider this video as it is a short video. So later on I'll be making a video, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.